You search how to buy shares of ALHF.PA, a company listed on Euronext with the ticker ALHF.PA. This video explains the step-by-step buying process for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you must use a broker. We will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search field and enter the ticker ALHF.PA to locate HF.PA. Make sure you select the Euronext listing to find the correct share. On the asset page, review the company summary, sector information, and the price chart to understand recent activity. Confirm the page shows HF.PA and ticker ALHF.PA before proceeding. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed when trading resumes. And if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once your order executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. Check the description below for a link to eToro if you want to follow this example.